Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kibana access securely with firewall rules step by step clearly. To activate Kibana access securely with firewall rules, begin by logging into your cloud service provider's dashboard. Navigate to the network security settings or firewall section. Identify the existing firewall rules that may be applied to your server where Kibana is hosted. Check for any default rules that allow traffic on all ports. Modify those rules to restrict access. Create a new rule to allow inbound traffic on the Kibana port, typically port 5601. Specify the source IP addresses that should have access to Kibana. For enhanced security, limit access to trusted IP addresses only. Apply the new firewall rule and review its configuration. Test the new rule by attempting to access Kibana from an authorized IP address. If access is successful, confirm that unauthorized IP addresses cannot connect. For additional security, consider enabling HTTPS for Kibana. This can be done by modifying the Kibana configuration file. Point Kibana to your SSL certificate and key files. Restart the Kibana service to apply the changes. Perform a final test to ensure that accessing Kibana over HTTPS works correctly. Document the changes made to firewall rules for future reference. Regularly review and update firewall rules as needed to maintain security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.